Want to update your iPhone entirely on the device? First, back up to iCloud by opening Settings, tapping your name at the top, choosing iCloud, then iCloud Backup and tapping Backup Now. Wait for the backup to finish so you can restore if needed. Next, connect your iPhone to power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Low battery or weak Wi-Fi can interrupt the process, so aim for at least 50% battery before you begin. Open Settings, scroll to General and tap Software Update. You'll see the new iOS version with a summary of features and fixes. Tap Download and Install. While it downloads, you can go about your day. Your iPhone works in the background. When the download completes, you'll be asked to enter your passcode and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Install Now and your iPhone will restart. You'll see the Apple logo with a progress bar. Once it finishes, your device will boot into the latest iOS. To automate future updates, go back to Software Update and turn on automatic updates so minor releases install overnight while charging and on Wi-Fi. Remember, major updates can take several minutes. Keep your iPhone plugged in and online until it's done. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite new iOS feature in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.